In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is for your artists that have submitted work into your open call for them to update their own submissions. So anytime an artist submits their work, they're going to receive an email as well as land on a page that looks like this, where all of the artwork submission details will be laid out for them to confirm that everything was inputted correctly. So for example, if an artist sees something on this list and they say, oh wow, it's actually the dimensions of piece 1 are actually 40 by 50, I made a mistake. All they have to do is click on this little update your submission button, and then the pop-up window with the application appears. And the cool thing about this is that they don't have to fill out this entire application. The only required input fields for the artist to fill out are their email, so that way the system recognizes their profile. So we're going to type out our email, and then we're going to make the update in the field that we want to update. So we know that piece 1 dimensions, we want to change it from 50 to 50 to 40 by 50. And then once they finish making those updates, all they have to do is scroll to the bottom, check the little I agree to the terms, click submit, and then they'll land right back on the confirmation page with all of their details. So if they scroll down, they can see the dimensions for piece 1 has been updated to 40 by 50. And then the cool thing about this is that the updates automatically populate on side of the Google spreadsheet that is sent out to the juror as well. So the entire process is streamlined, so that way you don't have to worry about making manual updates for any of your artist submissions, and the artist can go back anytime before the submission deadline. And that's another thing I wanted to mention. There are some organizations that do not allow artists to make manual updates themselves because they worry about them making changes after the submission deadline. The cool thing about how this is set up is that the custom value of the submission deadline pulls and locks out any updates or any future submissions based on the pre-specified date and time of your call for entry deadline. So the entire process is streamlined, but I just wanted to give you a quick demo of what your artist will experience when they update their own submissions.